Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain how to get an HVAC contractor license, also known as the C20 license in California. This license is for people who want to work on heating, ventilating, and air conditioning systems for residential or commercial projects. So to qualify, you must be at least 18 years old, you have a social security number or ITIN, and usually have at least 4 years of journey level HVAC experience. So journey level means you can do the work without being a trainee or apprentice. And once you meet the requirements, you can submit your application through the California Contractor State License Board. And after your application is reviewed and accepted, you will be given the next steps, including exam scheduling and fingerprinting if required. And you'll usually need to pass two exams here: the law and business exam and the HVAC trade exam. After passing, you may need to complete final paperwork, fees, bonding, or insurance before your license number is issued. And once everything is approved, you can officially become a licensed C20 HVAC contractor in California. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.